What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer or send crypto from Magic Eden wallet to Binance. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to get the address for your Binance account. So, in this case, you want to go ahead and open up your login to Binance.com here. Now, at the top right, go ahead and choose deposit. Now, choose deposit crypto. Now, in here, you want to go and select the coin that you maybe want to receive here. So, for example, let's go and choose BTC. Now, choose your network here. So choosing the network is something really important. So in my case, I'm going to use the BTC network. Now, from here, go and copy the address. Now, let's go and switch over to Magic Eden. Now, go and open up the extension for Magic Eden here and log in. Now, from here, you should be able to see different crypto that you have on your account. So you want to go to your portfolio to see all those. But in this case, I have BTC here, which what we are aiming for. Let's go and click on it. Now, what you need to make sure here, it's using the correct network. As you can see, it's also using the correct network here, which is the BTC network. Now, in this case, what we need to do is we just need to click on the send button you see here on your account, enter the Bitcoin address and the amount that you want to go ahead and basically send. Now, also, it's going to show you the fees, so go ahead and make sure to review that. But once you provide all the details, just click on continue. Now, it's really important that you're using the same network when you're doing the transaction. So if the receiving address is using the BTC network, also make sure that the sending wallet uses the BTC network here, as you can see right now. But yeah, go and confirm your transaction, verify yourself, it requires that. But to be speaking, it should take around a few seconds or a few minutes in order for BTC or your crypto to arrive into your Binance account. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.